The revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube family? Man, the Myth is the X-Predator coming at you with a short video detailing my telemetry software app. So this is probably the last test that I'm going to do because I think I have a grasp on how to utilize it with 360 videos. There are steps involved with it. That's why I said early on that I'm only going to use it on rare occasions if we're doing smackdowns, track, things of that nature. But what you'll see here is you'll see the Speedo app with the GoPro plugin for the Dashware software. You know, you can do your date, your time, your GPS map track. You'll see it on the left side mirror, where you see it's 2.3 miles that I recorded on this particular clip. I had to omit certain things for certain reasons, but with that being said, it looks pretty cool. It feels like when you're looking at it, like you're in a fighter jet or something, or kind of like Iron Man with the whole, you know, I'm trying to remember that movie, Minority Report, Tom Cruise, and you know, all that overlay stuff. I think that's the wave of the future in general. I'm pretty sure helmets are gonna start having this stuff in there already. I know that smart helmet that was supposed to come out didn't come out because people are misappropriating the funds for the Kickstarter and all that craziness. But yeah, I think it looks cool. It's a proof of concept, and again, this is the final demo that I'll be showing in terms of how this thing works. But it's really cool, and I think it's a viable tool for those who want to, you know, maximize their you know, or try to stand out in terms of their videos. But I know I'm trying to get, you know, a little more writing in before. Like, I was supposed to go to the track this past Sunday, but some family things had popped up, so you know, my dad is priority when it comes, you know, he's elderly, so I gotta make sure stuff are in line with him. But as far as that's concerned, I'm gonna do my best. I'm thinking I might go to Watchung in my area and do a little, you know, circuit, and that'll probably be in a future video. But I'm thinking now I'm maxing out my computer. I might have to get SSD drives, and you know, I have more than enough RAM, but you know, I think with all the video editing that I do, I need to have faster read-write speeds because I have like 4 different hard drives inside my PC tower, and it's just, you know, I gotta make sure that I'm ready for the fight. But with that being said, I just want to update you guys with this Motovlog. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. And shout out to the Dashware app developers. They really have some cool software there. And as I learn to use it, I'm going to, you know, incorporate that into different things. So I thank y'all for checking this out. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified of all my new content. And I will see you next time on the ZX Predator channel. Peace.